Violence continued in LITAN, Ukhrul district today as clash between Tangkhul and Kuki communities escalated, with houses being set ablaze and gunfire reported in several areas. Despite peace efforts led by Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dekho through talks held yesterday with Tangkhul and Kuki civil society organizations, arson and gunfire incidents were reported. Security forces have been deployed in large numbers, yet arson continued in LITAN Tangkhul village and Saraikong Kuki village areas from around 7 a.m. today. Reports indicate that at least 50 more houses were burnt today, and the fire services could not assist some areas due to the violence situation. Since Sunday night, more than 100 houses have reportedly been burnt down in the LITAN clash. There are also reports of automatic gunfire from the Kuki village site, leading to panic among residents of LITAN. Videos circulating on social media allegedly show armed individuals in combat uniforms carrying assault rifles and firing slots. Their identity has not been officially confirmed. So far, there are no confirmed reports of deaths or serious injuries. Even with heavy deployment of central security forces in the areas, intimidating firing continues till afternoon. Later, security forces conducted area domination and mass combing operation, eventually bringing the situation under control as of filing this report.